say, we must somebody me to answer. Oh, man, we must somebody me to answer. Ina wa daji, ora wa vio yo woto. You come also to ego give me boy. Oh, man, ge. Aikuo melina. Wade. Oh, man, igi wa vio boy. Frigi. David na wa boy. David na wa am your boy. Oh, man, me a share everywhere. Oh, mama, no. Yeah, yasungu. Wow. Imakatamo we saga we me no win. So salwa with baba. Before we bring this Wade. Aikuo knew that David has issue with the wife. As a mother. Me mother here, mo setting. No setting lay me wiwa. Agwa, he setting. He settle. Gege from Victor. Oh, you. Umenwa uhiate platform memo hote uwe. Okay, when you were in your doom, the platform is not ready. The bottom was from the beginning. You would have said, Umenwa, it was here, bottom. You can go once away. Oh, even with explanation. Even with explanation. I'm not going to say to leave David. And no, you walk your bed. You refuse. Yes. Oh, one way, you know, boy. Come on, get away. Even with explanation. All these old cargo women. Oh, my me. Where my me. Man, I'm accepting if I ye. No setting. Oh, boogie. Waga video now. Yes. Waga video now, Wagai. The plate for this Europe. When they see your bright future, they want to do every means to scatter your home. The first one fight with you. You see, Aikuo, you are a suspect. You cannot run away from this issue. The first one, go in. What is you because of your relationship with David? The second wife came again. She fought with you because of the same relationship with David. What's going on here? Can somebody talk to me? Are you guys hearing me right now? Locomotive Moscow. Cannot prophesy. Put your hand to your head, you are a woman. Say, my father, my Lord. Every woman like Aikuo, coming close to my marriage, I shall begin to fire prayer now. Like there is a fire. Like begin to fire. Because why? Such women are all over everywhere in Europe. So Godmother. Hey, Godmother made you wait for 31 days. Godmother, all women wait for good 31 days. No call you climb up. If you want to contribute, you climb up. Not call me for his house. Maybe because of war. I go verse. I mean, when my man is young, all destroyer. You know what you have been on? What kind of lucky fucking fight did they fight? Why you not fight from David all these years when this woman have been dealing with David in Belgium there? Why is this and when I don't come back, you want to fight? They pretend say that you good. Boss, the man boss is dead. When this is true, before he went to the courts. Why did you fight about people? If you don't know what you are doing, if you were not fighting, because you're closer to the husband. These are the part of women that are destroying people home. They are all destroyer. They are all. I greet you. I greet you, sir. Good morning, sir. Good afternoon, sir. Good afternoon. Identify yourself. Who are you? Now me, David's wife.
Okay, God bless you. You're welcome.
Okay, I beg. Get wait to make me just call you that. Then I just on my phone now. Now they see you. I beg. You get with you. I want clear. I beg. Me I clear am to you.
Go ahead. Yeah, hearing you. Let us
One thing I want clear to you now. That sister, what did they call it? That sister Aikuo Bejo. Aikuo. So maybe we can get issue. That's around there. I think about maybe like 8-9 years ago.
Okay. Then you were still married to your husband.
Yes, I still married to David.
Why?
So when to make us get quarrel, maybe we can get quarrel. So when to make us get quarrel, she they come our shop, our Africa shop. You go sit down sit down there. Everybody go there. Eat with people. All those people who they buy things, they go they gist. Me I go work. So when they come from work, I'll come meet them for the whole of the day. So when she go there, she don't they talk to me. Sometimes when I would come from work, I'll join that shop. She don't go talk to me, but she go to talk to people when they there. And me, I be the wife. I be the wife of the man when he get shop. You understand? So not be first, not be second time. I can say, why? So what did this woman? Why this woman they treat me like this? As you they greet my husband, you're supposed to greet me also. Even if you not tell me good afternoon, man, at least you still say, Mama desire you there. So the thing converse me. I can say, I be that period, me and David with the get crash. I can say, I be David get waiting go tell this woman. And number two, my sister, maybe because I don't be their person. Let me can they do that thing. One day I just vex. I say, no, I don't agree again. I can't follow the main problem. Now so just happen. I never accuse her she sleep with David. Never. I'm telling you the truth. So I never accuse her say you sleep with my husband. You want to spoil my marriage. No, I always fight her. How can you come to my husband's shop? You know if you don't talk to me. At least for tell how you there, oh mama chief, how you there?
Your husband's shop talk to you. Must everybody will come your husband's shop talk to you? So every customer come back to your husband.
Okay, brother, fine. Not everybody that come buy something come talk to me. Okay, but why people they carry the rumor say she dey fuck David? That's why I fight her. It's not true.
What makes you to fight her?
I don't already tell you say she come there. Brother, okay, look now.
She come there. Other women did.
Brother, wait. Brother.
Mama desire, leave this idiot.
You just come with you.
Leave her, may you go sleepy. Today na holiday for bedroom.
That he know you with your wife.
So why they quarrel? I said that woman, my wife, they quarrel.
But brother, listen. Try to understand what you're doing.
I understand you. Very clear.
You work out with your wife for road. You work out with your wife. Every time person will they greet you, follow your wife talk. You go they look you like they talk to you. Your wife will say, what have I done to this person? So what if me suspect for my mind? Listen, David talk my matter to run. I can't say yeah because I believe he used Bini or say because they speak the same thing. I believe he judged me to her. Now what if I might go to? That's why I made trouble with her. And if I accuse her of sleeping with David, I will tell you. I will still tell you. I didn't accuse her, brother. Person will come tell you that thing.
Let me explain to you better. According to your words, now let me use your words against you. David and your husband, you and David get it. And this woman, a Bini woman, and David na Bini.
Yes.
This woman an advanced woman too, right? Okay, you see her as a mother or as a sister. So that's it. On the normal ground, say this woman a really clean person. A really clean person. As you see, say, let's for example, your mindset now say your husband, give it to your husband and tell this woman. When make this woman go greet your husband, they follow your husband the flow, but when they follow you the flow, they keep minus with you. You understand? And that will trigger you, right?
Yeah, not be saying they sleep with someone. That will trigger me, yes.
You can't say they sleep with.
No.
Calm down. Then you calm down, okay? So you always accuse us, okay, maybe you get with your husband, tell her. Okay, now. If you get with your husband, tell Aikuo, you know will warrant you to follow Aikuo fight. That's number one. Because why? Many people would be as a customer for that shop, or as a brother, as a sister for that shop. When be say your husband people tell something to, when they go come comfort you, they don't even talk to you, you don't go fight them. But you choose Aikuo alone personally to fight with something is more than that. But if I want to judge it with the way what you talk so now, on the normal ground, if your husband really get what you tell Aikuo, say okay, I couldn't have person maybe say he didn't use brain as an elderly person. Now her duty to call you say, Queen, oh yeah, come here. See what's my brother tell me. What did they happen?
That is true. That is true. You are right.
What did they happen? Why you do this one to your husband? Why you do it to your husband? This can't make sense. Oh yeah, David, well, what is your problem? Why you going to treat your wife like this? Now so elderly person till they behave. You understand? He go make sure say people peace. Even for you to even took that boat to even attack her first. If now woman will be say it consciously clear. You don't say I'm not first. Ah, David, you see your wife? Yeah, you don't do. When you come, you don't do. It go send that matter and make him.
Because I'm a setter.
You understand?
I'm a church bartender.
You see, before I come out today, I don't do it now more than 1 hour, 2 hours. Not do it now more than 2 hours. Not do it now. They call Aikuo. I never call Saga Aikuo. Now when Aikuo come here, because I don't really send out the video, I don't come here. He come here, he listen to someone, he comes. And I try to bring him, as soon as I can quit, you don't come here, come up. You need to come answer. You know why Aikuo go answer this query? All people matter, now you carry and come out, we don't carry and come give me.
Brother, beg. Wait, we never finish. Sister Aikuo, finish. I beg. Wait, see anybody will come tell you say, you know why me come up now. Yeah. But I never accuse this man say you are sleeping with David. But I don't know who talk that matter to you. I don't know. I never accuse him. If I accuse him, brother, I go even tell you. I go say, see, Aikuo was fucking my husband. Nothing like that. Nothing like that.
Day before yesterday. Let me flash you back. Day before yesterday night. At about around that kind 9 to 10 in the evening, Aikuo was on live stream alongside with Esther, Jerry wife. Alongside, Omoibo was alive. They were both streaming themselves. Listen to this one talking, listen to this one talking. I was also here streaming the both of them. Then, said, make Aikuo come swear. If you don't fuck the video.
We must say, ni me I swear. Iwi wa fi boy we frigi. E David na ware yo Woto yasungu.
Both with YouTube and TikTok.
Rubbish.
I was streaming with YouTube and TikTok. Listen to the both of them. You know, because I can't get it. As people don't enter live video, now they do live. I can't get it for that matter. I want to see what they go on. If you don't fuck the video. On the table, with Bini.
Uzu, we're sending me out table now.
When I'm coming to that stupid, they say, make Aikuo swear. Wait till make David, former wife, ex-wife, fight with her, use knife.
Wama send me tie ni me hamwe beruda emwe bob.
If they don't fight, they can swear. Aikuo say, me? You say they lie. Say they lie. Oh yeah, wait me, I bring David wife. I call David wife. He brought you in. You come climb up. You remember?
Now the same thing. I remember.
They bring you in. I was here watching. And you climb up. First, you say, wait till make me and you fight. This make me attack you. Meaning, so you and Aikuo could not really get down. That means, that statement was right. People was right.
Yeah, what I said, they get down. They get down.
You and Aikuo get down.
We get 4 years.
So, I'm right for that place. You understand?
Yes.
So that's not really fight. That's true. What you said was true.
Yes.
Yeah. Because we not fight. We are with the video. The over you understand? If you know say never knock the video, me can't swear. I could not be swear for that one. You get to that point now. I say okay, it's clear. Now I can't know what I could fight put. So I couldn't fight for David prick.
Now, brother, don't be true. Don't be true.
Are you sure?
Don't be true, brother. Don't be true. That woman not be like, brother. That woman not be like that, brother. You know, I know all of the way pray for this country, eh? I know all of the way follow me fight for David for this country, brother. Don't be true. That woman, brother, she's not my sister. May I tell you the truth, eh? It's a woman I just know, we quarreled before. That woman not rotty. That woman, she's not like that. I will tell you the truth. I know people who take care. She's not like that. That woman not fall with you, not sleep with David, brother. I don't be true. Not lie. I tell you that's why. If you say that woman sleep with David, brother, I will tell you. I hope you go tell me, go saga her. What is she not going to she want to do me. I tell you the attitude which they give me. She was giving me one attitude like when he enter shop there, like you look me like car. That's why I say How can you be doing this in my own husband's show? Now I'm quarrel with her. Don't be saying, you know, fuck David. She not do one, brother, not lie. She not do one. That woman not do that thing, brother. She not do one. If you know her, if you know this woman, I'm not saying you dare fight, you don't know her. I live in this country, I know that woman. I know her character, I know what she can do. She don't sleep with David. That woman not they sleep, that woman not they do all those rubbish. She not do one, brother. She not do one. I can't lie to you, brother. Anybody can come to you now. What they say, na lie, yeah, Queenie turn na lie, brother. She not do one. Me, I know all of them. When they hunt David, I know them. I know a lot of them. They hunt that man when I deal with them. They hunt her like when they hunt meat for bush. I could not day, I beg. She not jump there. She not there, brother. I beg. Please. She I don't even see her. I don't know where she live. I couldn't know where they live. But those things are bullshit. All of them, when they follow me, when they don't let my marriage settle, when they destroy my marriage with the hunt your part down, they call them, they use her, they touch his chest. I know all of them. I could never touch David's chest one day. I go even date some of them. They talk, say, eh? What kind of nonsense? But I beg, leave a cool matter, just leave a cool, I beg. She's just innocent. If I could sleep with David, I will tell you now, may you drag her. She don't do one.
No, I could now can't defend itself. Not be you can't defend Aikuo.
Major platform where? Platform where must send me here day.
Not be you defend Aikuo. Aikuo will be accused.
No, I am on my platform. Hello. Hello, call me.
I see if no one send me the picture.
I see you for line, no, you dey wash.
Huh?
Not be you dey, not be you dey wash for life.
No.
Did that eat? Okay, me I send you the picture.
Send me.
Ask you no beer. How can you be denied for a dog? Eboki wa modi emu ye no ruwe kogi ye. Yes, you know. No yeki. Ugata poti meno. Yeah. What are I? Obo we watch one body.
Drop you, man. Uncle, drop me, oh.
Okay, ma. Thank you. Ciao.
Bye.
All right. Drop for third junction. Who want drop for Anybody want drop for my two?
Who a platform you were? You did be lava because you disrespected me. So long we disrespecting me. Me like platform where? Umenwe, I'm alive. Stop playing me. Umenwe, stop playing me. I'm alive. Wagumega I give from Victor. From Victor. He like platform where I don't care any rubbish you say.
Say I could chop your the second wife can't you let us know.
Eke David the Matesen a chop here. Who was war? Eke David the Matesen a chop. Me have a chop Eke David maybe I see. Maybe I see.
Come talk now. Go down fine say and she's wrong go for me. You know if you go point somebody like now guess for market now. Somebody will come enter and no greet me like all this African market where people they park enter. Different people that they enter there, you go greet my husband, no greet, not concern me. By what you come by me, you come out. We know they greet them for you. We don't they greet anybody. If you enter African market, if you like, I greet you. Even at the end, they would greet us. Thank you.
A 19-year-old girl beat a 14-year-old girl in the head on a bus, resulting in her deceased from cerebral hemorrhage. In February, on her way home by bus, 14-year-old girl Madison met 19-year-old girl Brittany, who often bullies her. During this period, Madison kept coughing due to physical discomfort, which caused Brittany's dissatisfaction. She first stood on the chair and insulted Madison, but Madison ignored her. This completely angered Brittany, who kicked Madison hard on the head with her foot, causing Madison's head to collide with the arm.
Saga herself.
I
When she
could
do the saga, any arrive me wo here be bio saga e bio messy, but any arrive me when you bio. No me the pressure worry, no me worry. The even saga je. O ma ti wa go sa we kaka banyo o is the one we saga. Even that time I vela e we vela gi wo gya so an yo parowa. E me rescue okpa anisi. And the truth, I me rescue.
Bueno, guana ivie gwemeka we saga. Gwemeka we saga de udo pretendi. Wa gume gbue. Ivie rio wa gume gbue. Wa gume gbue.
No rescue.
Iye platform menwa. Menwa is a disrespectful human being.
Saga we TikTok na Saga na. E don sabe que TikTok.
Umenwe. Hello, abanakin. Hello.
Go here on the street, no, then energy low.
Hello.
Only the rest. Woman arrest.
Umenwe. Lare iverio.
That is the truth.
Iverio. Iga gwe. Wa gume so we na gbe. Wa ivio ma me valati. Okpa anwenwe na my dele ya webo.
Also, when I beg you, come on, like the pressure.
Menwe, ide platform where uma se ni here platform me.
I'm telling you the truth.
For you to disrespected me. Now walk here the platform me. Eh mo here your way. Wa mo tanu ano me menwe. Wa the platform me. Udo no mota. Who are you flogging me?
Go back. That's a disrespect.
Uzwa.
I could be winner. I could be winner. I could get.
Mama, I could say walk allow. See, I
walk you now.
Tell me no bemeba. Tell me no bemeba.
2 hours here, I can't go to
I cook your life for rebel. The bread to be young, with my
Umenwe, uma seni me ado asa. Uma seni me ado asa. You are too small. Ukeregbe. Ukeregbe ni ado asa. Ukeregbe. Shut up your mouth. David yabe o mawa. David na be wi metawa. Wow. David no gbemeba. Emi jue. Ire obi oku o gbemeba.
I will not have us. Me like na do asa ganya, but
all this the day I hear boy. Those are what woman.
I want you to you right be.
Umenwe we adori me. Ai mo di owuwe. Me de gbe la wuwe. Uma se. Umenwe. Iye boy gibe no. Wow. Suzy gibe no. Suzy gibe no. Umenwe. Umenwe. We no se manado asawe. Ukeregbe. Iyo. Umenwe. Emi no see ni manado asawe. You are too small. Wait to me platform we make a day. A platform will not disrespect me. A platform will not disrespect me. Come on, get his head. Aikuo is on live. Umenwe, you have to come here. Umenwe, you have to come to my platform. I'm on your way. Walking out during me. Yes, walking out during me. Hey, Fra Victor. Fra Victor. A platform where heregbe. Where heregbe. Ni I don't answer. If you have any question to ask me, what are the platform me? I am on live. What are the platform me? When you tell them me, adego mweme la dia, mori e di reward, me ari mweme amarigo me, onu gbeme ba. Keke be mi yo kwo, because yo kwo ijue no, ina saga yo kwo, u gbeme ba. Mi ne elita, mi ne elita to wia. Umenwe, you have to come to my platform and come and ask me question, and I will explain. I will never come to your platform and come and answer any fucking question. Never. I'm too big for that. Platform where keregbe mi adototai. A platform where or keregbe ni mi adototai. What do you mean, Uzuo? A platform where keregbe ikata me we umenwe we. E saga we mi okpa no ya umi. E saga we meti umi okpa. E saga we cannot do me nothing. E sheki me. Ive mwe bo rudeni bastard. Imwe bo. One your menwe. Umenwe, if you want to talk to me. Umenwe, if you want to talk to me, you will come to my platform. Then I will reply you. Umenwe. Iwa heje gbe ade platform we do tota. Me de gbe la platform we because you disrespected me. Not one time, not two times. I will not come to your platform. You are too small. Ukeregbe na. You are too small. So when wherever you have to use your wife phone. A phone of Wuhan, a who ya live platform me. Your phone of Wuhan ya ade. They no don't know me. Aikuo here, we kia David. They need to tell my way. Adegi ma we media platform we ukeregbe. You are bastard. You are bastard fool. Umeme. We got some guy me yalo we bed. We are on a life with me. I don't know. We are in life. Me are in life. We are in life. Me are in life. Ave ma ya ni ene gbe yan de ado debunk you we. Yen do debunk you we. Umeme. Tell me no gbe me ba. Umenwe. Uhe vanu, uhe hanu, oye potopoto. Uhi koyama ye potopoto. Uhi mena ote, to ye gidi gba. Ate la we, aye fosi. Umeme. Uya wabe abe dedene, emani jebe na obete du owolokpo. Odanu do aguk wogun. Gallant women like us. I'm a gallant woman in Belgium. Me we kesi go ma fu amabokwa no wo. Ipiani ku even go se David bebo na. Me we kiyan. Oh meme. Ido aruda we to afinu ge David. I will do that. Early mebo. Ya so you must leave Belgium. Chapter last card check up. Wa pa e Belgium re. You must go. Umeti ye ne David di aduro. Wakpa. Deti me wakti me we ne kiani a ote jevegbe. Wow. Rudu wa be media me ya jigo ya mwebo rude kiabuwe. Eta jouer je kia. Ama a virgin. Umeme. When agwala lugu ya eri agwa we la levani bun ama no pa ma pari bun aba saga we the saga we ya your ma vie is all late ne. I'm on my platform. You have to come here. Mo di owe. Sunu. Ukeregbe no invite me. After disrespecting me. O men we down me down me o we dia. Wa salo baba. You are mad. You are basically fool. I bet we real life. Una you total. Where akpori me hia akpori we be akpori me udo.
I do biomia we ona idorie e matani ona doria make any mena him na na ni wa yogo me ya make example.
Why when eh?
Na no de no daru onpa na tie me.
Why by
Na we ni la wo wo yin agun e dele mi won me.
La we no na ya huri ya do no na Charlie Brown we o ne. Charlie Brown ya pise ya hu we. Follow us Charlie Brown we be akin. Che follow us Charlie Brown we. Hin was Charlie Brown wa. Igu we ni jene ne mi we ne ba se tie ji. Ba se tie platform ya marage na. Okay Charlie Brown ma ya garage na. Oh no wa guana. Yeah no guana. I'm not telling me but he hate her with passion. Oh he get me but he hate her with passion. Iyon Russo no the Charlie Brown wawa. Ba se tie ni o amalawa. Yala bi spirwa. Wa be okwo na amalawa o enie no gwan wa ge from Victor na to so ni me o ma so ni me but he ma like okwo na he hate okwo na with passion. We are go hate okwo na with passion. Okwo na o de ba mani zage Charlie Brown wawa. Charlie Brown a la live video on Wednesday. All the live video were there Wednesday. All our 1 o'clock. Vason. On Friday, ima waye de baby ba. All the 8 o'clock. Uboso 4 o'clock. Ima yere wa. All that is on Friday. On Saturday the same thing. Then on Sunday, all the la because of your moye school. Oh, one after I do live video ni. Oh yeah, I call it Charlie Brown. Yeah, Charlie Brown got a phone. No, the nubagita. I walk Charlie Brown gume guan. I walk one mala wana was zagging in wawa. Iga mala wana. I was zagging in wawa. Eto sweni me e gang in lele Fran Victor. I will not climb your platform ukeregbe. Fran Victor ukeregbe. Fran Victor add your woman. Walk here add your me. Me dio we. Ale nuzuo. Oh women are learning. Well, where he me? Where on galati no where on but no levenya when an imetika. Iye tika gbegbe ni yare webo. Me zuo. Ah, amoto yun. Mo me bogbe me ba Fran Victor. Owi gbiju owi gbe owi saga bi ati yige obi oku. Isaga obi oku. And umweme li ladian, wo mu ladian, imaswe anu tai, owi mena move, e ma tagele no. Onu gbe me ba. And do me ti gbe me self. Because by now, to suppose we got TJ from Victor already there. Or to suppose me aruwe bed now. Ici les blaquettes if we big a vie. A saga will go nowhere. Saga will rock pa. From Victor, live video me.
Hello, Epa, domo. Domo sa. Epa o. So iku mi na ba. Iku ya na ba iku wa ri na ba.
Onye be si wa gimanye. Because of your phone na. Na about disgrace a bomb a line na. It's not good. Because this is a public disgrace.
Okay, I will
Yes. Yes, Ade.
But due to where a statement no wanna make, me do ya judge way. Ndu nyime no wan no ma e clear anifo. Ono si na do me we o me fo na do marry.
Epa iku uti eba na la du ko na rewe kun so to na tore. Ogara ogwa disgwagwa. Moga la diana almighty defend the gbe. Omo ke be mu eba ko so.
Die platform wa di be mu ebo.
This morning nobody here do tie yo.
O wa meme. Yes, gallant. O me ni mu ebo je e gbona.
The David wo wanaku wa se shobe David we David yakuwe okeke
eri wari ejo iya wa ube na wari ejo woto iwoto wow me won umenwe need I need you in my platform mo di owuwe wo di ori me umenwe play real life we a play wodo idi owuwe igele rewe ina rewe suto suhu na pa go suhere gbe ni ado asa you disrespected me or see any man like platform away and the gbe leva wa many tin huata wa di owo mi uri owo me be dero na o ma yo na rejo go kan ya ade adi owo mi why so me who don't know ta then I will answer you. E saga we give me no kia ume. Egene de saga we why is the saga ma no ma ya avie we be me vie yes poto ere wa no yes what yeah ere wa no eri ogwa no eri ba ya mwene gaga eri ogwa no eri ono ina mwene benia ina tompo mwene wa pierwa wa bebe esaga o menwa me ya avieji owu king of saga when the mo feel say abegi ma wegbe ne uwe potopoto achawo odukwe wo dafere uta o ma wojo ni don ma be ma wojo ime wa wojo ekwe mu uze uwe una bo wa you we spiritually and physically utewe gbe bebe ni ye gonu ho utewe gbo ko be ri ekin abieno bu elect lord lady where you won we mu uwe we gbo ni mehin o je we ki were kere gbe sef make your that female gun oye woyi ode no ye nwe ni ki ahwaji eke ani me awu o 2 days we awu me we umeme ya muge David Pierwa imwe borokpa imwe bo lai imwe bo dede David vi are Nigeria David na vi are Nigeria women ma lewe bo women na David wo wa ibe BNSF always send on the mejo wa o se o gbon we hin bona di moto na Uwewe. Oh, Ematano, you are right. And umwe mate li ladian ina mouve, you are right. Imasien ina mouve. And igele mouve, yes, you are right. And I will regret it. That is number 1. O wig bijoué. Igbe ebinyate iye God's power. Oniva onumo meba memwe bi meye kino magbana e ma di bon kini meni de gbe ya amwebo mi ga ya amwebo bana e ti kan swe ni ekun yo ido swe ni ekun agele gbe me dan rude ki David eni obi re de gbe la ona so imwebo rudae omo mebo must go. She must leave Belgium. Oh my paise. Wazo. What me aruwe bed. We saga me aruwe bed. Huh? Okay, omwe yone. Fra Victor, lare yi viva muti agunmegun. E lare Mudia gumegua. From Victor. When no se manado asawe. Lare Iferio Obugi. Obugi.
When no se manado asawe. Lare Iferio Obugi. When no se manado asawe.
We no see ni manado asawe from Victor. Who disrespect me? You disrespected me. Yes. Who disrespect me? You know, but we feel it tangume we saga. Good, but if you're muting, you go and go but I'm on you. And if I know Tassin, ya. Imwebo. Do you get the video? Imwebo. We fear you, what book get it time? That will be no good one. Oh, well, I had a good try. Don't work a man at the good try. Who are you? Now use the language. Who that be? Who do you watch Januko Komo? Who do you watch Januko Komo? Wow, wait to social media. Come on, keep quiet there. Keep quiet. Keep quiet there. Come on, get inside. Yako komo. I'm on for many years. What do I tap like social media? Igi de ni amegi de igi de dokoko we igi de ige. Jamwe no more. Go from Victor, go and mute yourself. No make the experience.
Why worry?
Good when you go from Victor, go. Yes, Frank. If you're going Anime, on a never more who will be. I even if your board of one be anarchy. Anarchy, or whenever more we go. From Victor. Frey, I don't trust you walking. Igi wa mwene be side, ina mwene be left, ina muda to mwene. From Victor. Emini only come away from Victor. Adam me very carefully. From Victor. Uma so wani adonsa. Uma se no say na woman so man wa onu gele dame yo me when e manire platform we when you mute for 1 minute. No say ni man adonsa we. No say ni man adonsa we from Victor. You disrespected me in many level. Or you are disrespecting me different ways. So a platform where me lao eminu gbeme ba ruda we igbiyo yoku u gbeme ba wiska saga yoku because yoku issue no one you gbeme ba from Victor shut up and listen. That is number 1. Then number 2 again where me ire uri mweme me latien mena do miewe gunwe from Victor nugume guwe gwan. Get out. Uzuo. When we no mu e saga we yo man love ye. Ta wa saga we, our saga we, our full chest. You done me away. Where's the yo? You done me away. Piero, let me play music. La diamanare, go on, ya wuri abudo wan gbon we hin.
Gas, what to feel video now, what to feel. I'm here mocking.
Me we ai la diamele la wa. Ile la wa, e no ho wenu ta. E no ho wenu ta. Uma soma ni ado ansa, onyo the problem. Uma soma ni ado ansa. Uma say ye, uma soma ni ado ansa. Me a la platform we do ansa we. Ime mwe e mani respect me mu agboto. Ya de platform we do ansa we. We can go do ansa we. Ukeregbe, we saga, do your saga. We wa agbi me budo, we wa agbi me. We wa agbi me, agbe me. Me ga beru desa ku we vie, me na beru go seta ku we de like depression. Unwe wa ma bie me say. Thank you for the gift. Unwe ga ma bie me say we mu ure life. E from Victor of social media. We are real life. Me chest maybe are real life. Umabe go deni. Egene de wa gbi ku ya lay. In ya vie we blacket. Ege geni agijena. Ege geni agijena. E saga we give me no hiwa marok pa e. We just go. Una be me wa wajo ma gbo we hin. Ni me do le platform we me do answer we. We ma di bonke no se ni je go na mi we wa. Me do ade platform we yi le platform we yo sunu. Sunu. Uwe poto okpe na ke hyon. Koko dolo inwanu so no de uwe su wariana. Inwanu so no de uwe su no po. Uwe su po na doli nwabe su. Ashawo. Ibiele iti ashawo. Eta home na bie. Imwe kogbere imu hegbere ke bie. Eta home. Abia kama wewe wani biele na go ba me bugwa. Piroa. Saga we no dey do anybody anything again. When get inside. Get inside. Saga we give me pano we wo maro pa e. Agboye igwe gbe ye sagu we. Gwa ke na me ma ekwa wo wie na o. Egbegbe. Me ga kwa me na la de do fere if you fere we do fere we me do fere. I do fere. O gbon we kin. Umere na holiday we Belgium. Na holiday we Belgium ajinwina. O gbon we kin. Iya sa we umenwe ukeregbe ni me ha do asa. Mega vie sagu we da unra be me hemo aria be. Ware vie saga do nothing. Wa fere nwe ye saga no gwa ye tight no gwa ye tight we no fere ni san we menwa saga wa ga ye vie wa vie gbe wo wa leba then wa leba wa ye platform ya di bank ba wa di bank o wo no ri biene agboya sawa gboya hin u biene adawanu biene eyan va we bukwa Uwe mu hegbera we na bia. Wu wari ya debunk a platform ore. Umenwe ga wa mu wala dia or ga gbuwa wa ari ba wa ya debunk. Don't do that anymore. Ware vie, ware lawe blacket. Or ga gbuwe, uwe gwara na obe kie video nu. We ga gbe bodo. Oro na riyan social media president Ready Murphy. Time don't change. Change it changing eh. Ni change the lipstick now. Uwe me. Ozuo. Where be me avie. Uwe me. Ivie, God forbid. No get your way, we no get your way, biba. Where be me avie. Avie. We are going to avie. Ume wa agbi me avie. We are going to avie. We are going to avie. Ema no me be no meti se keni meje. Meye meti gunya guan. Ama abi we. Nide liti kowe yunumena. Niya guan. Wage vie Fran Victor ira la luhe oga gbuwa wage vie wari power ni nona ye zeti wari power ni wage giri power ni Fran Victor na gbuwe una be ore platform we uwe mi pa emi ni uwe mi emi ni uwo hiwe o uwo we o Fran Victor na doga gbuwe. Don't cry anymore. Don't do it. Wage vie. Fran Victor ya yin makeup. Fran Victor agbuwe. Ou are Facebook. Ou a clean face we be na. Ou a we be ni. Ou a clean face we then ou a makeup. Ou a makeup. Iye wa no tokuba. From the wo we ameti omoku we ameti mu face la dia without powder. E teni pe teni hu. Iwa do have dan. Wari vieji. Wari deye depressed ba. Dem wari deye depressed ba ru de Fran Victor Saga wa do are depressed. Why do are depressed? Wa ma woni why amuebo. Omo oge na ye body bunk. Omo oge na ye body bunk. Oge kiabuwe. Dego bi adobe on me. Emeni ni atani. Oda for when I'm mojo. Oda for when I was up musin egboe. Denu ya mwebo. Already na jena no dafi me do me nata. Working as a man they do a debunk me. Emini awata mu wa kedene na pa. Fran Victor no we anwanyo. Oga saga wa regi debunk anything. Oga gbuwa de nou ga reply ye platform ore ya reply or ye tine no mana ye si bo because all ya live me ya live ori etine oga iwa agbuwa ne wa agwo wa ebo ado ati mashawo ebo ado ati washawo. Don't do that anymore. Ware iwe be oni wari etine on ere ugbeme ni egbuwa ire owe wadan. Why gesaga from Victor awe wadan? Oma gbon abi asaga oma bi hin. Gbon ma bi ni je. Understand? Gbon ma bi ni je. We ni wa we na, eri wa kan wa awe. Eri wa kan wa awe. O iwa mu wala dian. O hon wa amwe pisho me banana do mo yekpeti otage. Imosenia at my age. Ima makeup. Imosenia. What's the name? Mose. They clean a lipstick now. Me makeup me gbe pada. Ikwe so akala de veve pada ya o. Ya wa kwene akinari o. Ya wa ri even makeup o. Iwa me makeup ge yama. Iwa me makeup. But kemi. Made eba te ni ya kian o na. Ni social media is discreet me. Ubege. Igore reno. Ana na ya kian mo money san. O e kori ebe nana. Why the ebe nana wa kian bi eba san ason. Wa kian bi eba son. O ya clean face we ebe ni. Oh, ya clean face we nana. They no like bed. Why you we our face we ye kezi. Why la bedroom we? Oh, you ya wo ya wo. A lipstick. No like we courier you know. Then you go. You are free to go. Don't spend how many hours in making up. Ado gbe first coach. Ado gbe second coach, ado ma major, ado gbe mi yeman, ware iwe. Dobe, avas ito afas wa. Dobe, iya from Vitona agbuwa. Oma se, no tamo mana ya mwe bake ya mwe bo. Me makame from Vito we, o dafi menori me yo wani me bien oba me wa. Yo ba me wa. Yo ba me wa. Do it on. Uhena emo lads emoni ene gbolad abugwe. From Vito agbuwa. Wage ivie. Wage la depression. And on you see no na ye meti no ya robi wo because oti agbuwa kere wo la depression. Oti agbuwa kere wo la depression. Wa siko iwe bedi. Wa ave we bedi. Eveni ogili do one wa ya amwe bodo a debunk. I from Vito na ruda emwebo. David Okpiano. David is one of the richest man with Belgium. One of the richest man with Belgium. Me no saka. Kedi David jive khome. Mo akhia we mi. Iya mwe kadi gie odo taye atebu. Odo taye atebu. Yet or even with marriage, ne ex-boyfriend di megare at table. Ege ni do de depress. O se ina you we guy. O se na ko bu me na ye gbe. Ni awo wa ge u. We yan u. Ro bu khan. Na ke bugwa bo kun we ki de ni. U ma ri best certificate ro bu khan la dia. Na ke gbowo bo kawe din we u ma ri best certificate of wo kawe la dian nu we ke we video wo ye go wa ga gbe lo fun na mo la dian we video wo ge elect law lead wa ga gbe lo but a video nu we ya we jem nu ya la lu ho ma money la dian they made do rudu we made do ade platform we ile platform we because you disrespect me when you disrespect me malake. So therefore, I'm not coming to your platform to explain nothing. Nothing. I will explain to you. You are too small. Keregbe. Oga komi wa fege nwena yao. I wa fege. I fege venia. I fege venia. I wa sata. Last check up. Uwe ga tell me na Aiku me na beauty na we Aiku me. Yeah, the platform where don't debunk anything. You might be your serio. You guys go for the banner. You son a cure that for me because now a weekend. I actually gonna be bed John. Or the for imagine gonna be now. The hell are you? Where are we? It must a platform where you got screw here. You get away. Ige kotosuku we no woni taiba erigele yagewe ige sotosuku ina do kiorome no dikia guwe gwome ana guwe gwan yohwe platform we kere gbe biento to taji we kwegi me aveva awu don ya ni lele we kan ye fake account ya gie ban e platform we kere gbe ni mi ado to taji from Victor ukeregbe ya sawe ihi agbejwe gbe Aikuo adeo obi ekewe nekere no iwa beke wage wa ifian ye bossas ga oberi o hey ide ya re biere ni mo ebie boy e champagne boy ebie boy e champagne boy ebie boy ni do agbo menwa owo menwa ye hin o menwa we hin iye gona motonu ekunu wena meti lali ye go na re uwu menwohi umajiri ya no iboto una ya bo wajo edo no nyato e onyawa meme atmete nu wagbene ono yoduhu wo no yoduhu anybody no gbe ya wa block wa ya fefe e phone me wo a tablet ya wa block wire fe everybody no wa gbe comment ya wa block wire one pa gbe comment you have to listen to me, don't write any rubbish comment here what me the platform where it's a platform where menwe emawu ya bare imawe ke David ya ukeregbe also now disgrace you any manare so disgrace no where we gbe I'm not coming there lie de imongo mena meme platform me vore platform we iya ga 1,000 euro ba vore platform we tia ga 1,000 euro ba ne ana ade we ado we platform we we can't do with platform where Frankie. Iti o menwa os walking. Nije go why mi wa ozo we wahin do ma me no tamawe. I me tam we na ide eto awe mume ide here ide platform we wa igbene mi ropa wa ko block on am fu am receive ide ya ye disgrace ni ya mo disgrace ni your wegbe wa wash wa gbe comment I don't want to listen to any comment who are praising me o wa ma praising me o I don't give a fake I don't give a shit why man wa be so doni bana wa be ya tobe ivieri o wo nugu me block e fu anyemanare ivieri o webo ivieri o wo ikwe mo wa atuta e platform na gba iku o ma me panu taba nisin o ma be defend me ureba We me do kwa monwe. Wo ubi Jesu. I fear you, ubi Jesu. Na ke teme na sin. De ti ye desire me de to wo kan David man yo du kunwo. Uga wa ka me ya we ni aseme a e. Ah, when do kwa momo uzuo, mo bo momo na hwe. E wa so ne saga wa mama e. E wa mama saga. I fear you. Where do so no mama saga? Wa we saga be ke ni be ni ya we se uwe. Una sta a platform menwe. Una sta a platform menwe. Okay. Blocking Annie. Okay. Eli e gangiwe. I fear you do ma gbon wekin. Gwan si o. Utota ye ba. Gwan. Dero ko na yin du kun bando gwan. We ga te gwan. Dena uwe mi don ko uwe bi Jesu. Ekwe mu we. E o me won na target to amupon ye ko. Ekwe mu we fear you. Ekwe mu e. O men we to amupon ye ko wo ma mo me fa no wo ma mo enu. O wo me wo bu na ya momo. E platform men we na ta. We have to tell you about what to buy Aikuo. I go to my gwan yo bet what to gear yo. Wo ve ovieru wegbe. Ovieru wegbe. Ovieru fun wegbe. You have to ta. Ogwe okpa no ge unu go to na 2 o'clock. Where be? Who be? E ma gwa be ba son. Uwe ba fan. Uwe ba fan. E o ma wa wo mo ye ko unyi ho. O ma ba ga ta wa. E phone on la ban. E mi okpa ni wa do advice wa e. E wa na hin. I don't need any rubbish in my comment section. Imani the rubbish. E ata mo wa we iti comment wa oreti igwati. Igwati. Ya salu wa ya kwa manare. Anybody not any useless comment mana? Rokpa I comment wa age wa ga comment. Can we relax our many? Because I already do a ball of men do wa. Walare. Ibiedo wa pagbe bove e from Victor ora saga wa Wa bi asaga ewerigbe. Wa ga igalo be iwe bed. O se no mana ye sikwo eh. Naketa my we e de don mare. E fravito mayari e birth certificate of Henry. Ibi agboya fe debunk e ta my we o imawu ogweni yari e bebore. Agie fravito. Agie follow us from Vito. Ni me ya zero kwaba. Ni me ya nyenyegbe do anyenyegbe. Do I explain? From Victor, if you want any explanation from me, you will come to my platform. Me dio we my serio, am I bio serio? Am I bio serio? Ide platform where do debunk anything, nothing. I will no lawa. Okay, my lawa. Ide platform from Victor. Iyasa e from Victor agbuwa enu wakega u wa ri to we bia palo wa ri nu wa na ya nwanyo wa ya relax all that for way papa jiro all that for way bo all that for way dako all that for way diwan o ya relax so far ometi be roof you know nuri un leji ometi pay bill you hun o ya relax ke from Victor wa agbuwa wa ri we be wa ya avie o sebo kuona re na o kuona no mafona o sebo kuona no mafona re na waga iwe bi edo waga iwe o wana donate go na no ya di moto a second car for that matter or that mean of the brand new car anya gero baba ga anya gain bo ibi edo imari mana do gwe from Victor talo imari mana do gwe from Victor gbagban mi emi ni ye mana ba iwe ni do tamu wa e from Victor amwe pishuwa ladian o mana ko emwe pishuwa ladian ona agbuwa wa re dey depressed give him bomber to bomber okono arun parewe wa meti we berio u le depressed wa mame no gbiye gose ugbemi na eye go ya so du a depression not am ye go yi ya suppress ki o wa gon wa ri we be wa ya asile blanket gbegbe wa ya vie wa ri vie bana ijwe wa akọlu we wijwe wa abiera wu wa ri soba o ma wa o ma ti wa shawo o tiewe enine ohwe denu ya lawe blanket u ya so o wa ri platform oge u ya debunk o de gberi power na eberi o de gberi power na eberi oni don't do that anymore waga iwe ema waga iwe ire do tamuwa and then this saga no this saga me iri ya debunk ogo me na debunk oge gbe no time owo me ade platform yin Aikuo thank you for the growth Aikuo you are invited you have to come to my platform you have to come to call us apart you have to come to my platform who are you number 1 una la luhoku okwo inare una bona motonu una ya bo wa yo toni okwo ina de gbe mi we openu gi ti yiye go ya rebe ni ye go gbase waguti omenwe omo no menwe we na mu toni nu uwe bebu thank you for the gift ye no give Uwe be a bebo. We man no later wawo igi gonna me wotoni. Or you not day one side. Una e bono no respect. This is your boo where I don't know. We be lobby a ken una be video una be muye he. Are you a responsible man? Okba no mohoye no mohoye he. Or you walk no mohoye he. Emi ado amohan. Or you na two. Then the third one. Ona ariye Jamie. I remember so. Iya wana alale sagi. A period on in my fo. Ona ya alalo niwe. Ona ya alale sagi. E bon video. E mi hen gari platform ido ya debunk. E kia ni u. Kekebe kia ni ma u. No. Iho maho any explanation. Ukeregbe. Ukeregbe. Igi bere bema tagano. Igi kodu hunge. Ina mwesoto. Ina degbe ge. Ina mwesoto. Ina adiowome. If you want to talk to me, you will come to my platform. Me diowwe. And that be who so no ga reva ni boni no ga agwa ba no win hize. We ko. Dami o na. Ti block Ege platform Charlie Brown na block o na. When the Charlie Brown in ya say. Ima on block We a go block o na. Uno ogbe. Owe ruda ye me platform na webo. Owe amewe sele mehi. Mena ari platform na webo. O hiabe ta o gyoya ta o. Ere mania o. O mayo higbina ta o. Owe yi. Ana because Charlie Brown. U dion ma dion daddy agboya tie. Daddy Charlie Brown ye tie na o. Daddy. Ina wa mi Aiku. We platform na webo. Adokola eselewa no. Now this is one of the monitoring spirits in Igualo ni blocking a dark bomere. Only mo misintia no ga papa e ri ne mena ga malawa. Ina wa your boy phone you know what block now the boy they don't wanna block now the boy they don't wanna block because I phone a TikTok event all those ones the TikTok events the TikTok event e ri lack of payo. Eri la kokpayo ya wa post orene aso ava na block he block ni o ma gegwan ma ya fe na yale le Charlie Brown yan ma ya fe na yale platform Charlie Brown me wa re edokpa iware ogairos awa be ri so be dokpa daddy o mereba o egwu megwan o daddy o ihiare gift na iku Immediately a gift in Aiku, a gift in Aiku, immediately a gift in Aiku, oh, we may not tell me bania, ego ageta Aiku block you, immediately a gift in They will not have any better, or my or birthday. A birthday no money, I ain't invited no day. I dego when I jiku, and I invite you a biku, or here finoma, or why not when we're fini, then we're going to bring a party in there. Wait, go party ni renia. But I go be. I know what to the platform ni. Better are you to the platform ni ne? Because Charlie Brown no be my fe never no buy raw. If I log him me Charlie Brown wa no buy me wa tie me. La wo woje. E me na gwanjo. La wo woje. Revi no sunu dayin. If you advice e Charlie Brown ya tie. Vena imi se no de gbe ade party ni. O magire. O wo da ye ma tiri rosi me. Jennifer Collins wanna send him a number where oh when you screenshot Jennifer Collins wasunu who send him a number where wasunu if you well mana egeni na agbe me bodoni ban if you e two face ukin egeni na agbe me bani sie ureba una mute magwa o rudebo umagwa o ehin evinegun emwe boy ita umagwa Egenoboke e David ya yodukun do ya defend me Anyway, that's Aikuo. Wherever see it to get your sin. To get your sin. Igibe tawe imwe bo imu wamaso wani amwe bo na ino go happen. O ko an individual howe na imwe bo wamaso wani amwe bo na wa heregbe o me na mwe bo ruda imwe bo o mani egbe dayin be kin wi go wo mo wu hwegbe wu mame wu tome e mani a ruda ya amwe bo na ya di bo keme no ta. Eme na hear you wata. Eme na ne you wata. Eme no man ne kedegbe me di bok eme ne kedegbe. Eme ne kema degbe me di bok. Yes. Una reva so I send the question I don't want to hear your voice. Go back. La jamana revere you. So what in the bano we here kwizeni. Eriok woni ereya due o. Then Charlie Brother calling the water. When in la wo. La wo jenogi. La wo. My mommy. Ere aeli me. Wo yan yin maybe. La my mommy. Ebo mommy. Me te Charlie Brown. I me be Wednesday with live video. I me be Friday. I me be Saturday. I me be Sunday. Igba ne be week. E o ya ladian. 3 days no ke. Abe se ane. No be ya wo pue wuto wo kan wo wa. Oh, wana ige bi atena amala wana no we here pizebe koban I about the live video to our colleague Charlie Brown buwagita Charlie Brown mi obo iya wo pue wo wa mi obo ya momo ye school mi obo ya hwe mi obo ya vie Wednesday abere obedie bi atei obedie TikTok. Again, the police in a way, can't brother do many block in a way, pa me on block our war. Edamon, many on block in yakpa la ya heri, or my when any ga. In block Kamalawa. When the Charlie Brown in say, in a we on block Kamalawa. Me no, a Charlie Brown walking in me, Amalawa. Or walking here, no, or Charlie Brown, I got it the middle. Taliban Mayakin or hey la. Amala what did we memana on blocking near making a gift in me or we have where what we can your pow. Who don't have a party, who walk your female, even who get female. Who can't female not dodge Venia. Who can't female not dodge Venia. In a dodge Venia. We were going to a party, who will get a party. I want not invite you where. Who get a leg bay? You know, so only ya doing. Only ya doing. I will never unblock Amalawa. This very Amalawa na already platform Frankie Ban. Project brother be task radio or when the la wo ni emuma a conference call now with me with Amalawa conference call for what? For what is it? What conference call? Vakata. Aikuo block him. I don't know soon. Aikuo must block him. Aikuo must block him. He unblock you. Hey, let it talk him. Don't come to my live to talk. Don't even come. Hey, la weba because we really like you. Why is the ones as a picture I really like you. Irija wona. When the Charlie Brown in say Imakwe, here in Nigeria, a police not do Charlie Brown. A police give me Charlie Brown. You know we call him from Belgium. We Pamala dia, Omala we Wednesday, Omala we Friday, Omala we Saturday, Omala we Sunday. In a way, oh no game hey. We are say Nigeria won emini auni Bamokwe police na. In a way me wa we ya wo bo. Yan we me no sunu. Igige jogere. Imami wa de hia itie. Iwaro ebo na keke ma wa be he ma very yo. Even imama ni boom. Evi asunu ebo na nia. Iye mana be tama me ibe ho. Because ilatia na iti okperaki. Okperaki no ga agbe Charlie Brown be derio. Omo yano, ugboni no, ugboni mehi. Igi ti okperaki, ina go around the bush, ina go around the bush. Kaka okperaki ne, woga agbe Charlie Brown, okperaki igbe o. Igbe Charlie Brown. Ovi me ewehi. Oteme euhi. Ovi jemohi. Ido invian. Igbe Charlie Brown. Charlie Brown is the father that father your father. Igbe. Na beti Charlie Brown. Ina we reply. Ladian. Debunk anything. Reply. On a win hon. So ina are platform so you my peraki ma gwan. Ma Charlie Brown we gwan. Ugben so for that matter ke do forward there. Ya je for no paro Charlie Brown. Ya je for no paro peraki. Because peraki promise me we give that better Charlie Brown. And anybody no more Charlie Brown re in here time one not worry. You promise me. I degi memory what you do. You promise me anyhow. You promise me obijeme. Obijeme wehin. Charlie Brown is just like a family member. Family member in Wakibe. Every me, he has a godfather. Oh, a godfather is Charlie Brown. So, na do tie Okperaki. Okperaki na mwefu mere Nigeria. Ina Okperaki rame vodo beje we babeje ire Nigeria. Wo ibe sunu vodo. Owe mi rokpa sunu mama. Owe mi ya wa ma. Is a way. Obija mokin ni wata mawe. Ebi rokpa de yese yeye. Ebi rokpa de yese yeye. E police mo Charlie Brown. Ide wo sunu. Owo yen ba o. Owo ago bo kan te police ne. Owo bo kan no waru gaba. O te police ne. Owo kan. Ina we. Owo kan te police ne. Obi ebo no wo kan kin. Beraki wo bi edo. Ina we obi edo wa gun ru gaba. Ni na ware a live video from evening 8 o'clock to 4 o'clock you will wear. Me we kokobiri no. Ena do so agwale. Ina do call okwopa no re Nigeria. Okwo no re Nigeria ina do call Igi call okwo na. Charlie Brown we no bokwo ni me. Ona we as Nigeria okwo ni wa be gwa hian. Me ma se ma wa me jogo bo. Ima se ma wa o, ima sien. Ima se ge selena hin. O we wa fi e busa goje wa fi ejo. O ma pa to me ya live life me O ma pa to me ya live life me Era me iragbon, ije me iragbon. I have children that look up to me. I can go to select today. Tomorrow iga yo lokun. O hisago, o hongun, o bopanyai. Oba kamarokpa. Let God judge. Oh wata mame. Ire church bia oh wata. So, igi ti oboken Charlie Brown. Ina we ima omama phone. Yana de no bar omama phone. Ena iti sakpa iye no gi. La wo. Awe obokan omo ni police. Obokan omo ni police. La wo. We gari we kari tali we gwaloma ko no watie oboke Charlie Brown re na gwegwan do internane no watie oboke Charlie Brown re na gwegwan okwo ina ko awa no die e number no ko ni o ze oboke Charlie Brown mo e phone because awa no die number ne ona call oboke Charlie Brown owo che be na wo no wo no la wo okwo pa no re Nigeria ya mwejo ona mwejo yana gwan wanu ko ina we kama we yin hia mwe e woman pa bae the woman e bejon je Aikuo no bejon e followers of God that phone oba ka to ni mebege ni ona wagwa anybody no ilati to ko da fin ne yin ra agwolo ni yin gwo ma gwan yin ma me ma gugwan yana du rero yan rero yana to send him no ba oge e de ni de gbe areba yana ati me ware kiulia irregular ya dewi ya doho o ma kamoro ba emi ni ya u igiri o Eri ya we ropa ma kan ropa ma send wa, e ma send juwa, e ma send wa ropa. So, ina okay. Ina okay. Ayi no banire, ina do kole, igi kole, ina we jeni muse. Owoke Charlie Brown, ima wa ya mugo jo wo hu, ije me, ge rigwe, la wo, awu te police ne, la wo ji, wa ga kwekwe kugbena yari e ladian. Okay, no me we mama wo amalawa. Ina we mo amalawa. Because it tell wo amalawa eti a gefo na yo wo hu na. Ina la we fien, ope ni ke gwale no ba we, e fien ye no ge la ho, mo amalawa, yari e bieri. Wa do yin we Charlie Brown ya la ran e. Idiot ni ore baban. Oma swe ni me o, ere man oma swe ni me. It cannot tell me, don't sit there. Get out. Get out. Anybody know that it cannot swe ni me? Who go your ma go your him. Don't come behind the back. No do agume go le peace, go le play. I don't want you. Every fake account, every monitoring spirit, I will block all of you away from here. Nina take comment to our Orimaye school. Who are Orimaye school? Nina